Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change a voice from female to male in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the program launches and you can see your audio file loaded in, you'll need to select the entire audio track. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, or alternatively, you can simply double-click anywhere on the audio waveform. Either method will highlight the entire track, which is essential for applying the voice change effect across your complete recording. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find various menus. Click on the Effect option to reveal a drop-down menu with numerous audio processing tools. This menu contains all the different effects you can apply to transform your audio, and for changing voice characteristics, you'll be using one specific effect that modifies pitch. Within the Effect menu, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo. This will expand a submenu showing you different options for adjusting the timing and tone of your audio. From this submenu, select Change Pitch. This particular effect is what allows you to modify the fundamental frequency of a voice, making it sound higher or lower without affecting the speed of the recording. A new window will open displaying various parameters for pitch adjustment. Look for the section labeled % change. This is the key setting that controls how much you'll be shifting the pitch of the voice. Click on the text field right beside it and enter -10. The negative value is important here because it lowers the pitch, which is what creates that deeper, more masculine sound quality you're aiming for. Before committing to this change, click the Preview button. This allows you to hear a short sample of how your audio will sound with these settings applied. Listen carefully to determine if the voice sounds natural and masculine enough for your needs. If the voice still sounds too high or not quite masculine enough, go back to the % change field and adjust it to -15. This will lower the pitch even further, creating a deeper voice that sounds more convincingly male. Once you're satisfied with how the preview sounds and the voice has reached the masculine tone you want, click the Apply button to make the change permanent. Audacity will then process your entire audio file and transform the female voice into a male-sounding one. And that's it. You've successfully changed a voice from female to male in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.